Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 multi-cooker that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Tired of using multiple pots and pans just to cook one meal? Spending too much time in the kitchen after a long day? Or maybe you want healthier, home-cooked food but don't have hours to prepare it? If that sounds like you, this all-in-one kitchen solution might completely change the way you cook. This is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker, a powerful 6-quart electric pressure cooker that replaces multiple kitchen appliances in one compact design. The Duo Plus offers 9 cooking functions in a single device. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, food warmer, sterilizer, plus customizable smart programs. It features a 1000-watt heating system for fast cooking and consistent results. The 6-quart stainless steel inner pot is durable, food-grade, and perfect for families of 3 to 5 people. The touch control panel is easy to use, with clear progress indicators so you always know what stage your food is in. It also includes access to an app with 800+ recipes, giving you endless meal ideas right at your fingertips. Pros: replaces multiple appliances, saves time with fast pressure cooking, easy to clean stainless steel inner pot, beginner-friendly controls, great for meal prep. Cons: slight learning curve for first-time users, takes up some counter space, lid sealing ring may retain food odors. This is perfect for busy professionals, families who cook daily, college students, meal preppers, anyone who wants quick, healthy home cooking. If you want convenience without sacrificing flavor, this is a smart choice. At $99.99, the Instant Pot Duo Plus offers excellent value considering it replaces at least 7 to 9 separate appliances. It saves money, space, and time, making it a great long-term investment for your kitchen. If you're interested, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Number 2. Meet the CUCKOO CRP LHTR0609FW, a premium twin-pressure rice cooker with advanced induction heating technology, designed to deliver perfectly cooked rice and much more. This model comes with twin-pressure technology, allowing you to choose between high-pressure cooking for sticky, chewy rice or non-pressure cooking for fluffier texture, giving you full control over your results. It features induction heating, IH, which heats the entire inner pot evenly for precise temperature control and better cooking performance compared to standard heating plates. You get 20 built-in menu modes, including white rice, brown rice, GABA rice, porridge, steam, slow cook, pressure cook, and more. The 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked capacity is ideal for families. It also includes a voice guide system that provides step-by-step audio instructions, super helpful for beginners. The inner pot is built for durability, and the modern design adds a sleek, high-end touch to any kitchen. Pros: excellent rice texture control with twin pressure. Induction heating ensures even cooking. Large variety of cooking modes. Premium build quality. Helpful voice navigation. Cons: expensive compared to standard rice cookers. Slightly bulky for small kitchens. Hand wash recommended for longevity. Overall, it delivers restaurant-quality rice at home. This cooker is perfect for families who eat rice daily, home cooks who want premium performance, people who love different rice textures, anyone looking for a high-end multi-cooker. If rice is a big part of your meals, this is a serious upgrade. At $439.75, this is definitely a premium appliance. But considering its induction heating, twin pressure system, and long-term durability, it offers strong value for those who want top-tier performance. Number 3. Here's the CUCKOO CRP PHTR0609FS, a premium rice cooker with induction heating and silent pressure technology for perfect rice every time. Twin pressure cooking, choose between high or low pressure for different rice textures, from soft and chewy to fluffy and firm. Induction heating, IH heats the pot evenly and precisely, giving better results than standard heated plates. Silent pressure system, operates more quietly than typical pressure rice cookers, great for everyday use. Open cooking mode, lets you cook beyond just rice, stews, soups, porridges, and more. Dynamic display, easy to read control panel that shows cooking progress and settings clearly. Eco inner pot, designed for durability and better heat distribution. 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked capacity, ideal for families and gatherings. Hand wash care, inner pot recommended to be hand washed for longer life. Pros: excellent texture control with twin pressure. Even heat from induction technology. Quieter operation than other pressure cookers. Versatile open cooking mode for more meals. Large capacity for families. Cons: premium price compared to regular rice cookers. Slightly larger footprint, not ideal for tiny kitchens. Inner pot needs hand washing. Perfect if you eat rice daily with different textures. Cook for families or gatherings. Want a high-end, quiet rice cooker with smart features. Like one appliance that does more than just rice. Not ideal if you only cook very small amounts or want a budget basic cooker. Perfect if you eat rice daily with different textures. Cook for families or gatherings. Want a high-end, quiet rice cooker with smart features. Like one appliance that does more than just rice. Not ideal if you only cook very small amounts or want a budget basic cooker. At $469.99, this is a premium cooker. Considering the induction heating, quiet twin pressure system, and versatile cooking modes, it gives strong long-term value for frequent home cooks. Number 4. This is the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker, a powerful 8-quart multi-cooker designed for large families and serious home cooks who want speed, precision, and versatility. 10-in-1 functionality. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice/grain cooker, steamer, sauté, sous vide, yogurt maker, sterilizer, warmer, and more, all in one appliance. Large 8-quart capacity. Perfect for big families, meal prep, batch cooking, or entertaining guests. 1400 watts of power. Stronger heating element for faster preheating and efficient pressure cooking. Premium stainless steel inner pot. Durable, heavy duty, and designed for even heat distribution. Sous vide function. Allows precise temperature control for perfectly cooked meats and vegetables. Advanced safety features. Includes overheat protection and multiple safety mechanisms. Touch control panel. Modern, easy-to-use programmable interface. App with 800+ recipes. Access guided recipes for inspiration and step-by-step cooking help. Pros: large capacity for families and gatherings. Very versatile with 10 cooking modes. Faster heating with 1400 W power. Great for meal prep and batch cooking. Durable stainless steel construction. Cons: bulky and takes up counter space. Higher price than basic models. Slight learning curve for beginners. This is ideal for large families, meal preppers, home cooks who entertain often, anyone replacing multiple kitchen appliances. If you cook in big portions or want maximum flexibility, this model makes sense. At $199.99, it's more expensive than entry-level models, but considering the 8-quart size, sous vide function, and 10-in-1 versatility, it delivers strong value for serious home kitchens. Number 5. Introducing the COSORI CUCKOO 9-in-1 pressure cooker, a versatile and budget-friendly multi-cooker designed to handle everyday meals with speed and convenience. 9-in-1 cooking functions. Pressure cook, rice, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, steam, keep warm, and more, replacing multiple kitchen appliances in one unit. 13 cooking presets. One-touch programs make cooking simple for beginners and busy families. 1100 watts of power. Fast heating for efficient and consistent cooking performance. Ceramic non-stick inner pot. PTFE/PFOA free coating for easier cleaning and healthier cooking. 12 built-in safety features. Includes lid lock, overheat protection, pressure control, and safe steam release. Hassle-free steam release switch. Designed to reduce splashing and make pressure release safer and easier. 6-quart capacity. Ideal for families of 3 to 5 people. Recipe book included. Helpful for beginners looking to try new meals. Pros. Very affordable price. Ceramic non-stick inner pot. Easy one-touch presets. Strong safety features. Lightweight compared to competitors. Cons. Not as premium as higher-end models. Ceramic coating may wear over time. Fewer advanced customization options. This cooker is perfect for beginners, budget-conscious buyers, small to medium families, anyone wanting a simple, easy-to-use multi-cooker. Not ideal for large families or advanced cooking enthusiasts who need professional-level features. At just $80.93, this is an excellent value option. You get multifunction cooking, safety features, and a ceramic pot at a very competitive price.